Here's an example of the reverb that we're getting on the echo sound that our customers are complaining about with the CP200d. It appears if they have the volume up too loud, which in their environment they need, you get this. Radio check. Radio check. Radio check. And I'm getting further away. Radio check. Radio check. Radio check. Radio check. That's one of the issues that we're experiencing, as well as sensitive mic pickup. The mic on the radio and through an accessory picks up a lot of the background noise, and it's actually loud and clear. I don't have anybody else here right now to cause any background noise, but if you try to replicate that in your office or in your lab, you'll see that it even with all the proper settings to the mic, it's still really hypersensitive. Again, one of the main problems was this feedback issue. Our customers are in TV and movie production, so they are in relatively close proximity a lot of the time. And again, it's the that feedback issue that is causing problems for them. That on top of picking up all ambient and loud background noise, really causing a big problem for them. So this is an example of it. As you can tell, it doesn't sound very good. Doesn't sound anything like the original CP200, which is what we thought we were getting with this radio. Radio check. Let's see here if I got radio check. Radio check. Okay, this is the old standard radio check CP200 that we normally use. What our goal is, if you can help us get there, is to make the new CP200d sound as close as possible to the regular CP200, rather than this sound coming from the CP200d. Again, CP200, close proximity, not a problem. Much clearer, and doesn't pick up any background noise. And I've noticed that the XPR 6550 also does not pick up background noise or have this sensitivity issue or loud reverb like the CP200d. And again, we are programming these in analog. So this is not coming from digital transmission. This is analog. Alright, hope this helps. Let me know what you guys find. Thanks.